Hi, I'm Dr. Yasmine Scott with Rejuvenation Therapeutics, and today I want to emphasize the importance of protecting your brain health. One powerful nutrient that's shown to boost overall cognitive health and slow down the aging process is called Fisetin. Fisetin is a type of flavanol, which are naturally occurring compounds found in plants that give them their unique pigments. Fisetin in particular is commonly found in fruits such as strawberries, apples, persimmons, and tomatoes. Here at Rejuvenation Therapeutics, we created a Fisetin supplement because it is never too early to start thinking about your health. We always use the purest, highest quality ingredients powered by science. You can rest assured that all of our products are safe and thoroughly researched by our team of global doctors and scientists. By supplementing with Fisetin, you are grabbing the reins to your health so that you can live longer, healthier, and happier. Why wouldn't you want to always feel and be your best? Take control of your health and try a bottle of Fisetin today.